This one definitely got the filling. Got tasty bakery. Got some pate beef. Not much filling, but it's super flavorful and very fresh. Drove over there just to get a little snack, and it was literally packed. Line damn near out the door. While I was looking around, I noticed some Haitian chocolate milk that they usually don't have. Just has cocoa, milk, and vanilla extract. I almost taste a little cinnamon in there. Super strong cocoa flavor. It's almost a little bitter. This one definitely got the filling. Dixie Hwy. Water, sugar, lemon juice, lime, and vanilla extract. Literally have the best Dixie Hwy, and it's pulpy. I love pulpy lemonade. So much filling in this patty. Tasty bakery for the win per usual. Definitely check them out if you're in Lake Worth.